Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create AI chatbots using ChatGPT with free tools. Let's get started. First, open the ChatGPT on your browser, and next, decide what kind of chatbot you want to create, such as customer support bot, sales assistant, or the FAQ chatbot. Then type a prompt like this: act as a customer support chatbot for my business, answer questions about my products. And the ChatGPT will instantly generate a chatbot responses and behavior scripts for you. To make it more advanced, you can use a free tools like website chatbot builders or no-code platforms, then paste the responses created by the ChatGPT. And also, you can refine your chatbot by asking the ChatGPT to make it more friendly, add short answers only, or include responses. And after that, test your chatbot and adjust the responses as needed. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.